Here are 2 ways to remove iOS 18 beta software update and install the latest iOS public version on your iPhone. Here's Carly. To remove the iOS 18 beta from your iPhone, you will need to restore your device to the latest public version of iOS. Here's how to do it step by step. The first method is using recovery mode. With this method, your iPhone will erase and install the latest public iOS version. I recommend to back up your iPhone via Finder or iTunes on Mac or computer. Check tutorial given in video description for step-by-step guide. Next, connect your iPhone to your Mac or PC using a USB cable, unlock your iPhone, and enter your iPhone lock screen passcode to verify and access your iPhone on your Mac or PC. Now, launch the Finder on your Mac. See your iPhone appear on the left sidebar. If not showing, allow it from Finder Preferences from the top menu Finder. Open the Settings, and under the Sidebar tab, select CDs, DVDs, and iOS device. Now, click on your iPhone name and see the General section. Now, under the Backups, choose Backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac, and click on the Backup Now option. Then, wait for backup complete successfully. Now, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Follow these steps to put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone and iPad, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. In iTunes or Finder, you should see a message saying that your iPhone is in recovery mode and needs to be restored. Click on the Restore option. Now, your iPhone will erase your device and install the latest public version of iOS. After the restoration process is complete, your iPhone will restart. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. You can restore your data from your backup during the setup process. Unfortunately, you may not restore the latest backup taken with iOS 18 beta. You should wait until the public iOS 18 available and restore backup at that time. Until then, you can restore iOS 17 backup if you have. That's because a backup from the latest version can't restore to the old iOS version because the new file system doesn't overwrite the old system. Method 2 is just wait for new iOS 18 public version is available and until stop iOS 18 beta update by tuning off from the settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to General. Now, tap on Software Update and tap on Beta Updates option. Select the Off option and tap on Back to save the changes. By following these steps, you should be able to stop the new iOS 18 beta update releasing period of time from your iPhone and return to the latest stable public release of iOS when available. Hope you like this video. Don't miss like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Also comment for more help.